Next question. Innova Limited is considering raising of the funds of rupees 250 lakhs by any of the two alternative methods, namely 14% institutional term loan and 13% non-convertible debentures. So there are two sources of finance. One is the institutional term loan, wherein the rate of interest is 13%, and the second is 13% non-convertible debentures. The term loan option would attract no major incidental cost and can be ignored. So there is no brokerage or say any cost that we are required to incur for the purpose of taking the term loan. The debentures would have to be issued at a discount of 2.5%. So there is a discount at the rate of 2.5% and would involve the cost of the issue 2% on the face value. So they have provided say very good clarification that say the flotation cost is 2% on the face value. Advise the company as to the better option based on effective cost of capital in each case. Assume that the income tax rate is 50%. Dear students, I have taken this question from mock test paper of April 2019, question number 1B, and it was asked for 5 marks. So we have two options. One is the institutional term loan. So we can understand that we are required to make the calculation of the KD, cost of debt financing. That on heading, calculation of KD. In that I am writing, so the institutional term loan. In that case, we will write the answer like this. It is interest into 1 minus T divided by amount. This is the way we are required to calculate the answer. So here we understand that say 250 lakhs is the loan amount, rate of interest is 14%. So 250 lakhs into 0.14. Income tax rate is only 50% divided by 250 lakhs. This is the way we can compute the answer. So 250 lakhs into 0.14, that comes to 35 lakhs. Into 0.5 divided by 250 lakhs. So 35 lakhs into 0.5 is 17.5 lakhs divided by 250 lakhs. Into 100 for getting answer in percentage. So 17.5 upon 250 into 100 for getting answer in percentage sum, that is 7%. Just now we have understood an example wherein we understand that say if at all there is no discount, no flotation cost, then in that case you can do the answer directly also, that is rate of interest into 1 minus T. So here we understand that say the rate of interest into 1 minus T, so 14% into 0.5, that comes to 7%. That is the way we can compute the answer. Fine. The next is the cost of debt financing, and that's the debenture. In that we have been provided with the information that the rate of interest is comparatively less. So it is interest into 1 minus T divided by amount. That is the way we are required to make the calculation of cost of debenture. So we understand that it is 250 lakhs into rate of interest is provided as 13%. Because over there the rate of interest is comparatively less. Into 1 minus 0.50 divided by 250 lakhs minus. What we can observe, friends, we can observe that the question is providing clearly that it will be issued at a discount of 2.5%. So the amount received will be reduced to that extent. So 250 lakhs into 2%. because the discount will definitely be calculated on the amount of issue. And say good clarification is made that the flotation cost is 2% of the face value. Because for that say number of times you are required to make an assumption. So 250 lakhs into 2%. This is 2.5, I'm sorry. This is 2.5 percentage minus 250 lakhs into 2%. That is the way we will compute the KV. So we understand 250 lakhs into 0.13, 32.5 lakhs into 0.5 whole divided by 250 lakhs minus 250 lakhs into 2.5%. That comes to 6.25 lakhs and 250 lakhs into 2%, that comes to 5 lakhs. So 32.5 into 0.5, that comes to 16.25 lakhs divided by 250 minus 6.25 minus 5, that is 238.75 lakhs. So this is the amount that you are going to use, and for that so the cost is 16.25. So we understand that say 16.25 upon 238.75, that comes to 6.8063. 6.8063%. That is the way we are required to make the calculation of the cost of debt financing. So we can see that the answer of the first question is 7%, that is first option, and the second is less than 7%. So of course we will go with the second option. So we are required to advise. So we can write answer like this. The company is advised to issue debentures. Full stop. Right on answer.